is liability insurance provided on an excess basis. Each contract is unique and may contain provisions and language not found in other umbrella policies. Personal umbrella coverage may be issued as an endorsement added to a homeowner's policy or as a standalone policy. Insurance companies issuing umbrella coverage require their insureds to have underlying primary insurance in place. For example, every umbrella policyholder must also have a personal auto and personal liability insurance in place. If the insured owns recreational vehicles, watercraft, or rental property, those exposures must also be insured on the underlying primary policies. The purpose of the umbrella policy is twofold. It provides an additional layer of liability insurance after the primary policies pay their limits, and it may also provide coverage on a broader basis than the primary policies. For example, Mary has a homeowner's policy with a personal liability limit of $500,000 and a personal auto policy with liability limits of $250,000, $500,000, and $100,000. Her $1 million umbrella liability policy will make payment for a claim after the homeowner's or auto policy pays its limit. If the underlying policies do not provide coverage, and coverage isn't excluded by the umbrella, it will drop down and act as a primary policy. When an umbrella policy drops down and acts as a primary policy, the insured pays a self-insured retention, which is a method of loss cost sharing similar to a deductible. The only time the insured must pay a self-insured retention is when the umbrella drops down. If the primary policy pays its limit and then the umbrella policy makes payment, the insured does not pay the self-insured retention. Personal umbrella coverage typically includes a worldwide coverage territory.